What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we are in the house right now, and the baby chickens are sleeping. Did you tell them about the baby chickens? They never saw them before. Some of them are awake, but look at that. Hello, baby chickens. They're all sleeping.
No. Ow.
We got the net up on the trampoline, but Addie broke her arm on the trampoline. Everything was going well when the net was not up on the trampoline. Now the net is up,
But somehow
Addie breaks her arm.
But she's doing okay. Oh shoot. Guys, look at this thing. It is
Creepy.
Yeah. Stop. Guys, stop.
So I don't really know what to do.
I'm currently still having dinner. See? I'm eating chicken, but not the baby chicken.
Nope, not the baby chicken.
You want to know something?
Huh?
And not any of our other chickens. I'm telling the viewers. Addie hasn't been doing very good. Let's just say that people didn't want to play with her because they thought she couldn't do anything.
I mean, yeah, she can't run.
Look at this little cutie pie.
I mean, she cannot run. That's one thing.
Who wouldn't want to play with that?
Look at that. She was supposed to get the hard cast today, but they had an emergency with someone else. So now they have to. Now Addie has to get the hard cast on Tuesday.
Wait, Trace, come here.
No.
The cheese of the balls. Viewers. The cheese of the balls.
Huh.
This is cheese balls.
I blocked out the cheese balls exactly because
The cheese of the balls.
what if the viewers do not like the cheese balls?
The balls.
Addie, stop! I'm not doing appropriate stuff in my video.
Inappropriate.
Just gotta shut this door.
I don't think I'm going to bed anytime soon. I've had a lot of sugar.
Oh.
Time for more energy.
Oh.
Time for more energy.
I don't care.
I'm gonna get a sugar.
I might sleep with the camera on.
I'm gonna have sugar rush.
Shut up.
Wait, Chris, come here. What are you doing?
Oh my God.
Daddy, I need to get my bed.
Turn the light off.
Daddy, turn off the light, okay?
I'm going as quick as I can.
You want to play rolling bacon?
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. I want to keep this one on. I'm scared of the dark.
I have a flashlight, you know.
Guys, they have a flashlight. If you guys are... I think we're going to do the baskets in the morning. Trace has a flashlight if you're scared.
Get away from me.
Oh, that's leafy nuts.
there's a switch. The camera can probably see it from here.
No, they can't. But who? Who?
What's that guy that did weird things with Super Mario Odyssey and stuff like that?
Can we do Mario Odyssey? Super Mario?
Hi. Yeah, you can use my controller. I don't care.
Sleep? What? Where are you gonna sleep? I'm going to sleep.
How do I turn it on?
Over here. You don't press the 2 tap buttons, you press home button. Also, my controller has a turbo button for no reason.
What are you doing?
If we're gonna be watching YouTube on the TV, I'm just gonna end the video.